YouTube, it's your boy Mo. Hello. And today it's time to take you through there. Hey, take you through there. Today we will be covering an infamous Jordan that y'all let sit on the shelf. But y'all know how I do. It's time to educate and update. You know I'm gonna keep y'all saucy. And you know I'm gonna get y'all right. Y'all need to be informed by this, especially if y'all some YNs that don't know Jordan's history, because some of y'all didn't really get to watch Jordan like that. Don't lie. Y'all just wearing Jordans and y'all have no idea why you're wearing Jordans. You just heard they was tight from your OGs. Y'all ain't slick. Fuck you motherfucker, you think you're slick. Just make sure you got some chili in your pocket. Y'all know what I mean? Because you can't be copping all this whop out the bam and you ain't got no fettuccine. Because it's going to cost you, brother. Black cement threes. How motherfucking dare y'all let these motherfucking sit on the shelves? Whatever. Alright. These black cements right here dropped November 23rd of last year. And y'all might have tweaked. L's in the chat for y'all, blood, because these are super iconic, bruh, and y'all need these. November 23rd is Pooh Shicey's birthday. And for y'all that don't know, Pooh Shicey is my baby girl, but yeah, I had to grab these. Like, come on, these are a must cop, bro. I believe Jordan wore these in the 1988 All-Star game, where he also was crowned Defensive Player of the Year. When people hear Michael Jordan's name, they always thought that he was all offense if they didn't watch him. But nah, he was clamping. He was locking shit down for real. You feel me? He was an all-around balanced. He was just He was just super goaty. I had the 2018 of these motherfuckers. And let me tell you something. I did not notice this until these released. But them motherfuckers is hella bulky, blood. Like, they're a fucking boat. You feel me? These 2024 ones are way skinnier than those 2018s. Like, those motherfuckers from 2018, they look like some damn Tim boots, some lug boots compared to these. They were they wasted way too much material on them. I kid you not. If you got the 2018 version, check them out. You will see exactly what I'm talking about, bro. Once I found out how much the 2024 ones were way better than the 2018s, I got them motherfuckers. Because what the fuck I look like? I sold them bitches on GOAT. Because I could not do it anymore, y'all. Them shits was fugly. Like, for real. Black cements have been retro many times. Once in 94, once in 2001, 2011, 2018, and 2024. These are really an interesting shoe because these are the very first designed by Tinker Hatfield. And these are also the first Air Jordan that, had elephant print on them. The elephant print on the 2018s that I had were very bold. Like, they were like, they look like permanent marker. But on the 2024 ones, they're very mild. It wasn't really a problem to me, though, the elephant print. But I guess they wanted to make these closer to the OGs, which I'm cool with, If that's how the real thing looked, then that's how I want them. One thing that I can also say about these 2024 ones over the 2018s is on the 2018 ones, the leather, you feel me, was a little bit, it was tumbled, y'all. So that's definitely not like the original. These ones right here, you feel me, the leather's a little bit smilkier. These is the preemie boys. They got the premium leather on them, And yeah, at first I wasn't really sure about these, y'all, but they started to grow on me. I was I was denying that these were better than the 2018s at first, and then I woke the fuck up. I woke up because wow. How did I think them 2018 things is hurt? I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on the black cement 3s down low. But I'm still gonna teach y'all how to lace these motherfuckers, so y'all don't be walking around looking like a square. Feel me? You will have no excuse after all these videos that I teach y'all how to lace to be looking like a goofy outside.
Now, these are just the original laces. But yeah, I mean, y'all need to learn how to lace y'all shoes up like, you feel me, a real 16. Because y'all be looking goofy as hell outside. But I'm here to teach y'all. And I'm going to keep teaching y'all until y'all get it. You know, this is another loose lacing tutorial. I wear most of my shoes like that, but not all of them. Some of them I tie, but you know, that's how you want your shoes to be looking swaggy. You know, it would have been different if you were, you know, a point guard for a basketball team and you're about to jump in the game, then choke them motherfuckers up. Choke them motherfuckers up all you want to. But since we're just walking outside and lounging and, you know, going to the mall, to the movies, to the gym, you gotta look cool, bro. And ma'am, Mrs. Ma'am, you gotta look cool. So, loose lacing is how you look cool. And not only that, it will feel very relaxed on your foot. So, here it is, another tutorial. And today, it happens to be on the black cement 3s. So you see me putting it through the eyelids. Make sure that string is flat. Make sure that string is flat. You know, these are pretty easy because they have little plastic pieces around the eyelids, so I don't really have to force those shoestrings through it, if that makes sense. Some shoes just have cloth. These just go right through like butter. So that's why it's not taking me very long. Right through the other eyelid. You know, the 3s are easy. All you gotta pretty much do for these is just make sure your strings are flat, but you'll lace these up pretty fast. And I'm not doing any fancy colors for the 3s. I just feel like the original does it just right. But just because the original does it just right, I still have to re-relace the shoes when I first get them. So that's what I'm doing now. We're getting towards the end. There we are. This is the left foot of the shoe. Man, them things is butter. Yeah. Y'all might have slept on these, man. I was like that too at first. I was like that too. But I woke up. I got some rest and then I woke up and took another look. These is shitting on the 2018 ones. Look like fucking bolts. God damn. These, that leather's butter. Make me feel like I'm in 89. I don't even know how that feel like, but shit, we could say that. That leather is definitely an 89 leather. All right, and we're getting to the end. Last eyelid. Bam. Then we're gonna do the other shoe. And there it is. There's one foot. Now, I'm gonna just do the other foot real fast for y'all. And there you have it, the black cement 3s, man. Y'all go get y'all a pair if y'all ain't copped yet. They should be out for a good price. They're classics that Jordan wear. It's a must cop. Don't go by the hype. Don't be dumb. Go get you some. You feel me? And There it is.